In today's video, I am going to teach you how to customize Google Chrome theme, background, homepage, and new tab page really easy. Start by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Once the browser is open, go to a new tab so you can clearly see the Chrome start screen. This is where many of the quick customization options are easiest to access. Next, look for the Customize Chrome button. It is usually located in the lower right area of the new tab page. Click on it to open the customization panel. This panel gives you a simple way to change the visual look of Chrome without needing advanced settings. If you want a fast way to make Chrome feel more personal, this is the place to begin. After that, select the theme option. Themes control the overall appearance of Chrome, including the colors you see around the browser. Choosing a theme can make Chrome look cleaner, brighter, darker, or more colorful depending on your style. If you prefer a minimal look, you can pick something subtle. If you want more personality, you can choose something more vibrant. From here, you can choose from preset colors if you just want to quickly update the browser with a different color scheme. This is one of the easiest options because it changes the look right away and lets you preview how Chrome will appear. You can also select from a gallery of backgrounds. These backgrounds appear on the new tab page and can help give Chrome a more polished and personalized look. You might see categories with landscapes, textures, art, or other built-in image collections. Browse through the gallery and pick the one that fits your preference. If you want something more personal, click Upload an image to use your own photo. This allows you to set a custom background from an image saved on your computer. When choosing your own picture, it helps to use a clear image that is not too cluttered, since very busy photos can make the page feel harder to read. A high-quality image usually gives the best result. That covers everything you need to know.